This next example is in the style of Lynyrd Skynyrd, Sweet Home Alabama. So again, just a few chords here. We've got a D, a C2, and a G. And you'll notice just a few variations to those common chord shapes that I like to play. Here's the D, and the C2 is basically like your G chord, but you're going to take these two fingers and move them one string higher, omitting the sixth string. So I'm just going to play from here down. The frets on this are 3, 2, open, 3, 3. So let's practice here. We're going to go from the D chord to the C chord with 2 beats each. 1, 2, 1, 2. Again, check out the commonality here. This third finger doesn't have to move. So just keep it there. And then as well, when you go to the G, these two fingers don't have to move, the third and the pinky. One other thing you'll see me do sometimes is I play my G without the first finger. I just play it like this, and at which point the middle finger comes, kind of arcs over and just mutes the fifth string. It's real kind of rock and roll sounding chord, great for distortion when you're putting distortion on. But anyway, let's go through these changes one more time. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 2 for a whole measure. So 2 beats, 2 beats, and G for 4. 2. Try tapping your foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. All right, so finally what we're going to do is we can do a little bit of what I call a bass note strum on this chord progression. And this is where you're starting to mix in playing just a single note, how we were discussing, I believe, in DVD 1 about arpeggiation. Mixing it in with our strums. So here we're going to play the open D string twice, like this, and then we're going to strum. So this one. And then when I go to the C2, I'm going to do the same thing, putting the pick on the fifth string. So here's those two. And then finally on the G, moving the pick to the sixth string now. So every chord has a root note on a different string. Notice I'm on the fourth string, fifth string, sixth string. So that takes a little bit of practice to be able to get that accuracy up to where you can strum and just hit whatever string you want, you know. Remember, if you're playing a chord and like another note's ringing, grab it with your thumb or try and dampen it with the right hand. These are all things we do to keep our playing clean.